We'll guide you through how to talk to ChatGPT using the latest methods. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatopenai.com. Make sure you're logged into your OpenAI account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one by clicking on sign up and following the prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll be on the main ChatGPT interface here. You should see a text box at the bottom of the page. This is where you can type your questions or prompts. Simply click into the text box and start typing your message. When you're ready, press enter or click the send button to submit your input. ChatGPT will then generate a response based on what you've typed. You can keep the conversation going by typing additional messages or questions. Remember, the more specific your input, the better and more relevant the response you'll likely receive. If you want to adjust the settings or preferences, look for options in the top menu where you can tweak the conversation style or tone. For example, you can choose to make the responses more formal or casual based on your preference. If you ever want to start fresh, you can click on the new chat button to clear the previous conversation and begin a new one. This is especially useful if you're switching topics or need a clean slate. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.